Day Monday debate show. Today our topic is Monday debate show.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I'm using the whiteboard. Monday debate show.
Good
Debate.
morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir.
Good morning. Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. Students, write your topic. Students of West Bengal. Mr. Pavato Batro, start it. Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. Lagging far behind. Write your topic at first.
স্যার একবার টপিকটা
Students
বলুন।
of West Bengal
স্টুডেন্টস অফ ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল
are lagging far behind.
ল্যাগিং
Lagging. Lagging far behind. Lagging means going to backside. Going to backside. Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. That is, here we are discussing about students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. That is to say, students of West Bengal are lagging far behind in comparison of India, in comparison of other states in India, students are lagging far behind. So you can speak in favor of this or against it. You can say yes or you can say no. That is up to you. You have to say against it or you have to say against of it. Mr. Progot, are you there? Mr. Progot Batro. Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. Welcome to Monday debate. So topic, students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. You support this statement. Lagging means going backside. Mr. Progoto Patro, you can say
Yes,
favor
yes, sir.
in favor of it. You can say in favor of it, or you can say against it. You are against this statement. Students of West Bengal are lagging behind in India. इंडिया में वेस्ट बंगाल का जो स्टूडेंट्स है वो पीछे जा रहा है. क्या इसको आप सपोर्ट करते हो? तो इसके फेवर में आप बोल सकते हो. आप ये भी बोल सकते हो नहीं, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है, वेस्ट बंगाल का स्टूडेंट पीछे नहीं जा रहा है इंडिया में. तो आप अगेंस्ट में भी बोल सकते हो. सो स्टार्ट इन नाउ. इंग्लिश और हिंदी, बंगाली नॉट परमिटेड. Mr. Pogoto Patro, you have left the class. Okay, no problem. Oh, you are in the class, Pogoto. Pick it out.
স্যার আর একবার রিপিট করুন না।
Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes. Welcome to Monday David Show topic. Students of West Bengal are lagging behind in India. Favorite against.
You can say on favor of it. In a debate, so you can speak on favor of the topic or against the topic. The topic is students of West Bengal are lagging behind. That is, they are going to lower side in terms of education, in terms of jobs, in terms of study opportunities. The students of West Bengal are going to the back side and other states are improving. That is the statement. You may say yes, it is right, so you have to say your points, and you can say no, I do not agree, so you have to give your points on against it. You can go against it or you can say in favor of the topic. Mr. Progoto. Do you support this statement or you are against it? At first, clarify this.
Yes, I support this statement.
Okay, so what may be your reasons?
सर हिंदी हिंदी से सर क्या है हिंदी तो बोलेगा मैं
Yes, you can speak in Hindi and English, both. Why are you delay dallying? No, you cannot delay. You have to speak out instantly. You have to speak out
सर
instantly. Okay, tell me your points.
सर मैं पहले कहना चाहता हूँ हमारा पश्चिम बंगाल और भी राष्ट्र से पीछे पड़ रहा है कारण यहाँ का सर यहाँ पर स्कूल नहीं खुला है एंड
Schools are closed here. So the point, schools are closed here. Below class 8, below class 9. Class 9 के नीचे स्कूल क्लोज है, राइट प्रगतो?
यस और मैंने
Nine, no, no.
और
Class 9 and above schools are open up to 12, right? Okay.
और मैंने अगले दिन सुना खबर में मैंने अगले दिन खबर में देखा जो बोल रहे थे बच्चे क्लास करते करते गेम खेल रहे हैं ये भी एक पॉइंट है
Okay, number 1, number 2, point number 2, student playing video games. Students are playing. You will write down, all the students will write down these points. Playing video games, mobile games, video games, everything same. Video games. Everybody will write it. During the class or classes, you may write. That is to say, when a teacher is taking class, students are playing video games. So number 1 point, he pointed out, schools are closed here below class 9. The second point is, students are playing video games during the classes. Okay, Mr. Pagato, continue.
मेरा कहना है बच्चे अभी कोरोना के टाइम पे बाहर पे नहीं जा सकते इसलिए उनका मन गेम में ही पड़ा रहता है इसलिए उनका स्टडी में मन नहीं लगता
Students are not attentive.
ध्यान नहीं लगता
Students are not attentive to studies. I'm using the word studies because for everyone and all subjects, many subjects, students are not attentive to studies. Number third point is Aprogoto is students are not attentive to studies because due to long break of COVID-19, they have lost their interest. Right, Progoto?
Yes.
They have, here they mean students. They have lost their interest in studies. I am pointing out main sentence. They have lost their interest in studies because due to the long holiday or long break due to COVID-19. Okay, Proboto has pointed out 4 points. Have all of you written all these points? Schools are closed here below,
Yes.
class 9. Have you written everyone? I'll not ask. So write it down.
Sir,
Students are playing. Yes.
3 পয়েন্টেরটা একবার দেখান।
See your third point. Students are not attentive to studies. See. Students are not attentive to studies. STUDIES, studies. Number 4 point, they have lost their interest in studies. They means students. I think every one of you have written these points. Now, Miss Potishta Samanto, tell me. Tell me your points. Are you supporting the statement? Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. Potishta Samanto.
স্যার কি বলবো?
Why are you asking in Bengali? You can speak it in English. What will I say? Do not that. You can say on behalf of it or against it. You can use both languages, Hindi or English. Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. Do you copy? Do you agree with that or do you disagree? Hello? Do you agree with it? Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. Is it a right statement? Do you think so? Hello? Potishta, I am asking you something. Potishta Samanto, I am asking you something. Why have you switched off your microphone? Hello? That's a bad behavior. Now tell me, do you support the statement or not? Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. Do you agree with it or not? Pratishta? Pratishta's mother will speak. My daughter is not given chance to speak, but she does not speak. Okay, good. That is better. Sanidha Ghosh, tell me your point. Against or favor? Sanidha Ghosh.
Yes.
Yes. Tell me. In debate, you have to choose one point. Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. Do you agree with it or do you disagree?
I agree with it.
Okay, so add the points other than these 4 points. I'm showing you the 4 points. What Pogoto has pointed out. Schools are closed below class 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and others. Students are playing video games during classes. Students are not attentive to studies. They have lost interest in studies due to long break of COVID-19. These are the points. So add your own points other than these.
Yes.
Tell me, don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. Your time is not important. My time is important. Speak out. Don't waste our time.
Yes, sir.
So speak out. Why are you just silent?
Students of
আমি কি
West
তোমাদের পায়ে
Bengal
ধরবো নাকি বলার জন্য? স্টুডেন্টস অফ ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল
don't speak in English.
What is the relationship in English? Students of West Bengal. Okay, I'm writing in short. Don't speak in English. 1 point. Everyone will write. Students of West Bengal do not speak or don't speak in English. So 1 point you have noted.
স্যার ওইখানে cannot হবে
You want to say do not or cannot? You cannot
Cannot.
say cannot. You cannot use the term cannot. If you cannot speak in English, that is not the thumb rule that other student cannot. Cannot means no student can speak in English. Students of any student of West Bengal cannot speak in English. That is not a true statement. You can use the term many students. So I have to correct it. Here you have to write many. This will be small letter. Many students of West Bengal cannot speak in English. Both are correct, no problem. You want to use cannot, I have no problem.
স্যার ডু নট করলেও হবে?
Don't speak in Bengali, I will not respond to your question. When I ask question, you do not answer. So don't expect me to answer your question, right? When I was asking where were you then? You have to speak in English only. Right? You have to ask question in English. Whatever you want to ask, write that Bengali sentence on your notebook, translate it. If you cannot translate it, send it to WhatsApp and ask me, sir, what is the translation? Then speak in English, no problem.
স্যার বলছি যে ওটা ডু নট করলেও হবে
Don't
তো?
say in Bengali. You are not permitted to speak. You have to speak it. You have to ask in English only. You are not permitted to speak in Bengali. So whatever you ask the sentence on your notebook, translate it into English. If you cannot, send it to WhatsApp. I will write the translation into English. Then you will ask the question in English. You are learning translation. You are asking question in Bengali. Why? So why are you learning translation then? Many students of West Bengal cannot speak in English. Next, Sanida Ghosh. If you have any question, write the question in Bengali, take a photograph and send it to me via WhatsApp. I'll translate it and then you will speak or ask in English. Otherwise, you will not change your behavior of speaking Bengali, right?
yes
Okay. Send it to me WhatsApp. If you cannot speak that sentence, translate into English, send me WhatsApp. In 6 months back, I'll translate it into English and then you will speak in English. Okay. So Sangeeta Ghosh, add your points.
স্যার আমি এটা বাংলায় বলবো
No, you cannot speak in Bengali. My lord. Translate it into English or send it to my WhatsApp. Why? You are not permitted to speak in Bengali. You have to write the sentence on your notebook. If you cannot translate, Then send it to me in WhatsApp. I will translate and you will speak in English. Same question, why are you asking?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Write on your notebook, send it to me to WhatsApp. I'll translate it. If you cannot, then speak it. So make a behavior that I want to speak in English during this class. So there is a solution. I've given you the solution. Okay, Somik Saren. Somik Saren, are you there? If you do not ask me question, then be on mute of mode. Somik
Sir,
Saren
मेरे
isn't there. Speak in English. You have to speak in English if you want to ask. If you cannot, just write the sentence on your notebook in Bengali, translate it. If you cannot, send it to me WhatsApp. I will translate it. And you better ask. Surajita Roy, you are against it or you are on behalf of it? Hello?
Can you repeat?
Okay. Students of West Bengal are lagging behind, going backside in India in terms of job, education, etc. So what is your point? You want to say against it or you want to say in favor of it? In favor of it means you are supporting this statement or you disagree with this statement and you want to go again. No, students of West Bengal are not lagging. They are advanced in studies and etc. So you will tell your own points. So first clarify, you are against it or you are on favor of it.
No, sir, I'm on favor of it.
Okay, if you want to favor, so there are 5 points already. Many students of West Bengal cannot speak in English. Sarnidha Ghosh. Students have lost their interest in studies. Students are not attentive to studies. They are playing even video games during the class. Schools are closed below class 9. So these are Progoto and
Sir,
4 points of
actually,
Progoto. And you have to say more points other than these points. So what are the new points you want to add? Tell us.
so can I speak in Hindi?
Yes, you can speak Hindi or English, not Bengali.
सर मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे जो पढ़ाने की जो स्टाइल है उसमें थोड़ा गलत है। जैसे कि बाहर में
Okay,
एक क्लास
no.
में बहुत
Okay,
सारे
okay.
लड़के नहीं।
1 point. So teaching method. Teaching method. Okay. Tell me.
जैसे कि
Tell me.
बाहर में जैसे कि बाहर में ऐसा होता है कि एक क्लास में मिनिमम 10 से 1500 स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, बट यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जिनमें टीचर को उन लोगों को समझाने में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं। हमारी जो ऑडियो विजुअल क्लासेस है वो नहीं होती, इसीलिए हम लोगों को सब कुछ मेमोराइज करना पड़ता है बुक से, और जब हम लोगों की एग्जाम देने की बारी आती है तो हम सब भूल जाते हैं, बट ऑडियो विजुअल
Okay.
दिखाने की वजह से हम लोगों को सब याद रहता है।
Okay. You are pointing out in classroom there is a limitation 24 students per teacher. The teacher student ratio is West Bengal teacher student ratio. Suppose one teacher is 2 student, so more than 50 or 200 in one class. But in foreign countries, 10 to 15 students. So teaching method, teacher student ratio, and your points are 5 or 6. You may count. Teacher is to student ratio. One teacher is to how many students? Here more than 50, even go to 100 also. So it is difficult for teachers to make everyone understand. Okay, that is one point. And another point, maybe 6 or 7. Audio visual classroom. Audio visual classroom. No. So in government schools or most of the schools, even private, audio visual classrooms are not there. So in foreign countries or in modern technology, there are audio visual classrooms. So that is better to understand and easy to remember. Easy to remember. Audio visual classroom I'm talking about. And that is lecture method. Here in our teaching method, it is lecture method. Write it down, lecture method. So the teacher is in the lecture method. Teacher is lecturing. Students are listening. So it is not effective way. May forget easily. Students are listening. So this is not audio visual method. This is not an audio visual method. This is not an audio visual method. So it is very difficult for students to understand the ideas, and they cannot also store in their memory for long time for exams.
Yes.
So that is your point. Okay, good points. So Miss Potishta Samanto, if you cannot speak, you will be out of the class right now. You have to speak some sentence at least. You are going to say students of West Bengal are lagging far behind, yes or no? You cannot think within 3 seconds of time. You have to speak out, right? Potishta Samanto, speak out. You are for it or against it? Students of West Bengal are going advanced or lagging far behind? 2, 3 of your friends are favor of it. You are against it? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, speak it out. You are against it or you are on behalf of it? Clarify first. Huh? What is the why are you not talking? Okay, you are against it. Okay. So give me your points.
I am writing.
No, you are writing or you are doing what? I don't want to know. Now it is time to speak out. So you have to tell it right now. You have to tell it right now whether if you begin to write and write after for 1 hour. So when I'll ask, how can I know whether you have understood the topic or not? This is spoken English class, right? Spoken reading, writing. So you have to speak also.
Students are not some many students are not reading and writing.
So you are telling you are against it and you are giving the points on behalf of it. Do you know what is a debate? A debate is a topic. You can say against it or you can say on favor of it, right?
Hello?
So students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. They are going backside. They are not getting jobs. They are not properly educated. The statement is telling that. Do you agree? Students of West Bengal are going backside. That is means lagging. They are not getting jobs. They are not properly educated. That is the statement. Do you agree with it or against it? If you are against it, you have to say good points like students are doing good, they are better, they are scoring higher marks, they are getting chances in more competitive exams. You have to say like that.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So tell me now. So tell me.
I students are
What? Pratishta Samanto, it is a debate. So debate means if you can make sentences in Bengali, then you can translate them and speak in English. You have to make your sentences ready in Bengali. And within 3 to 4 seconds, you have to make sentence. And already 10-15 minutes passed. You will not be given that much of time. As of nowadays, people have less time. People do not have time. They want to hear immediately. So you have to speak out, whatever you think. Okay, Progoto. Now you tell me, you go against it and give your logics or thoughts. Everyone is now against this statement. So make your statement. Okay, there is left one. Only one will be given the to speak in Guinea Ghost as a young child. Guinea Ghost, students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. They are going backside. You have understood the topic. Now tell me in Bengali. You are only permitted to speak in Bengali. Do you support this statement? Students of West Bengal are lagging far behind. Guinea Ghost,
yes, sir.
you can speak in Bengali. Students are going backside. They are not developing, they are not getting better jobs, they are not being properly educated. So in India, other states are going in advance, they are better than us. We are students of West Bengal, we are not better than other states in education, in study.
পশ্চিমবঙ্গে বই বোর্ডের বই পড়লে কোনো চাকরি পাওয়া যায় না।
Your statement is okay. Your statement is books of West Bengal Board of Primary, West Bengal Board of Primary Education. What are the boards? Do you know, Sunita Roy? West Bengal Board of West Bengal Board of Secondary Education Madhyamik, West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education. Everybody write these three boards. In West Bengal Board of Primary Education for up to nowadays up to class 5, and in some school class 5 is also under West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, and 11 and 12 West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education. Three boards are in West Bengal for school children. So, okay, books of West Bengal Board of Primary Education, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, or West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education are not up to for job, are not up to competitive exams. Competitive exam के लिए ये सही नहीं है. As per Guinea Ghost. Okay, Guinea, give your statements. No problem. Let's continue. Your 1 point, the books are not up to the mark to crack the competitive exams. Good points. Next point, Guinea Ghost. You will speak out your mind. What you think about it? No problem. Guinea, speak in Bengali. What are your points?
सर मेरे पास कुछ पॉइंट है, मैं क्या बता सकता हूँ?
Let Guinea speak out for just a minute.
পুরো বই পরীক্ষা হয় না।
For class 10, it is a full exam. This statement is partly up to class 9, it's okay. Up to class 9, it's okay. But for class 10, full books, full book, class 10. Partly your statement is right. In class 10, full book exam, the question will be asked from all over the chapters of a book. Below class 10, your statement is right. Suppose let me say 1 to 9. Final exam. In final exam, the question are not covered. Part syllabus is considered. Guinness statement is right up to class 9, 1 to 9. Okay, that is a good point. Guinea, would you like to add any more point? Any more points?
Sir, can you repeat the point?
Sir,
Yes. 1 to class 9, 1 to class 9, partly exams are taken part basis. That is to say, suppose 30 pages, 20 pages, 20 marks question, 40 marks questions. Full book is not covered. But in class 10, the questions will be asked all over the book. Each and every chapter will be considered. But up to class 9, there is no concept of taking the final exam on each and every chapter of a book completely. That is her point.
sir, I
Yes.
have a point.
Yes, you can add. Okay, let Pratishtha speak out.
Many students are not reading for lockdown.
Okay, many students are, this is okay. Many students, okay, we will not only read, we will use the word study. Students are not studying.
For lockdown.
This is a good point. Studying means reading, writing, everything, listening, speaking, learning. Okay, Mr. Pro, do you have any point? Any more points? Pratishtha Samanta?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now Mr. Pogoto has requested. Yes, Mr. Pogoto, you are given the opportunity to speak out your points.
हमारे देश पे जितना लोगों है उसका परसेंटेज में धरा हुआ, तो हम हमारा चाकरी पाने का सुযোগ बहुत कम है। बट बाहर के देशों में चाकरी का बहुत चांस है।
Job vacancies are less, right?
Yes.
Job vacancies are less. Next point, Mr. Pogoto. Is everybody writing what I am writing on the whiteboard?
Yes. Yes, sir.
You should write. Guinea, are you also writing or are you not able to write it?
सर मैं एक पॉइंट बोलूँ।
वाह, बोलिए ना आप। Speak out.
Yes. सर स्कूल में पढ़ाने का आमने सामने सर बोलते थे और हम पढ़ते थे, इसका एक अलग था मजा। पर जब से ये लॉकडाउन हुआ, तब से ऑनलाइन में जब से क्लास होना शुरू हुआ, तब से थोड़ा बहुत लोगों के पास तो फोन ही नहीं है और बहुत लोगों के पास नेट नहीं है, इसलिए बहुत लैग करने लगा और हम पढ़ा सुन नहीं पाते बहुत टाइम।
Okay. Online classes.
बहुत गलती होता है।
Online classes difficulties. Online class का difficulties, that is lack of smartphone, मतलब स्मार्टफोन नहीं है, lack of smartphones, internet connectivity, right? बोलो तो
और हम बहुत बार
internet
सुन भी
connectivity.
तो और एक
Internet
point
connectivity and lack of smartphone. Many people do not have their smartphones, so they cannot attend the online class. Or internet connectivity, due to poor or no internet connectivity, people are not able to, students are not able to join the classes, online classes. That is the problem of online study. But during the classroom studies before the lockdown, so there was face-to-face teacher-student interaction. So there was not that kind of problems according to Pogoto. Okay, whoever wants to add any point. Is there anybody who wants to add any point new? Rajita and all. Do you want any one of you wants to add
Yes, sir,
any
I
point
want.
more? Okay, speak out.
सर ऑनलाइन क्लास करने के टाइम पे हम लोग जो सुनते हैं कभी कभी वो हम गलत सुन लेते हैं और गलत नोट करते हैं, तो इसमें हम लोगों को पढ़ने में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स होती है।
Okay. So it will already come under technical difficulties, right? Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties like hearing, errors. That is to say, what the teacher is telling, I am hearing the wrong thing, or I am hearing something different, or we are making errors in reading, writing, or errors due to online. So technical difficulties like hearing or errors are there on online learning or teaching. So you cannot clear your ideas. Students cannot always clear their ideas in front of the teacher because they are listening to something erroneous speech. It becomes difficult. So these are the points. So how many points have you written down, Rojita Roy? If you have written all of the points, how many points have you written down till now?
लोगों
Only the points I'm talking about. How many points have you written down? Rojita Roy, how many points have you written down? I have written everything and that is recorded. Here it is recorded already. 17. Okay. Have you each one of you have you written every points? Each and every
Yes,
point
sir.
have you written? Because
Yes.
it is already recorded to me.
sir,
Yes. So now what I am doing? I am
sir, हमने
saving each and every point now.
सर
So can I say it 2 years? If have you written everything, or I can save it to the study material section also? Do you want it to be saved in the study material?
Yes.
Okay, I'm saving the study material. Saved. I don't know whether each and everything is uploaded. I think everything has been uploaded to the study material, or in the lecture also. It will be automatically, if you see the lecture, you can see the recordings, watch the recordings, so you can get it there. Okay, now tell me against it. So I'm deleting this. I've saved it and closing this. Save and close. So now it is a spelling mistake. It will be B, debate. D-E-B-A-T, debate. So students of West Bengal are lagging behind in India. So now we have to go against it. Students are developing like that. Tell me now against this statement. We have discussed what are the points that are supporting this statement. Now we will go against it. No, students of West Bengal are studying very well. They are developing, they are getting better jobs, and they are doing good. They are doing well.
सर मेरे
So
पास
you have
पॉइंट है.
to tell, yes, you have to now speak against this statement. Give your points. Are you ready to go against this statement, Mr. Provoto?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go against it. I am switching on the whiteboard so that I can also note down your statement so everybody can, every one of you can. Okay, now start. Start
सर
your point, Mr. Provoto.
जिनके पास नेट है, बहुत बहुत सुविधाएं है ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए, और उनके लिए ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है, क्योंकि वो पहले का जो पढ़े हैं वो देख सकते हैं और लिख भी सकते हैं, और इनका वीडियो को देख के स्पीड को कम करके और नोट भी कर सकते हैं सब कुछ. एक बड़ा पॉइंट है.
Okay. Online education. Internet connectivity. Who have internet, good internet connectivity? Okay, now for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I'm giving you time. This 10 minutes, you write your own points and show me. You have to go against it. So whatever you have written in support of it, go against all these points and write it down, at least 5 points, and WhatsApp me. I want to check your performance. And I'm giving for these 10 minutes to you.